Welcome to this video on Gantt charts. A Gantt chart is a visual representation of a project schedule. It is a bar chart that displays the tasks, start and end dates, and dependencies of a project. Gantt charts are important for project managers because they provide a clear and concise overview of the project timeline. This allows project managers to easily see the progress of a project and identify any potential problems or delays. Gantt charts also help in project planning and resource allocation. Project managers can use the Gantt chart to allocate resources and assign tasks to team members based on their availability and skill set. In addition, Gantt charts allow for effective communication between team members, stakeholders, and clients. By having a clear visual representation of the project schedule, everyone involved in the project can stay on the same page and work together towards the project's success. There are many tools available for creating Gantt charts, ranging from simple spreadsheet software to dedicated project management tools. Some of the most common tools used for creating Gantt charts include Microsoft Project, Smartsheets, and Monday.com. These tools not only allow for easy creation of Gantt charts but also provide a range of additional project management features, such as task tracking, resource management, and team collaboration. These tools provide for a level of complexity and professionalism that can't be achieved in spreadsheets. While the tools are for the most part easy and intuitive to use, most people benefit from some training to ensure full use of all the features. In conclusion, Gantt charts are a valuable tool for any project manager. They provide a clear overview of the project timeline, help with planning and resource allocation, and facilitate effective communication between team members, stakeholders, and clients. Thank you for watching this video on Gantt charts. We hope you found it informative and useful. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.